Hello everyone. So in our last videos we have discussed about bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology and mesh topology. So in today's lecture I'm going to discuss about hybrid topology. Yes, hybrid topology is a special type of topology which is like a combination of all the topologies. Okay, let's discuss about hybrid topology. So, if you are watching the design, you can check. This is a topology that we have discussed before is ring topology, because in ring topology, we can use our device with a circular ring and tokens are passing. But here one of the ring topology device is connected to centralized device switch or hub, and hub is connected to PC, and then PCs is connected to another device. So it is like a combination of ring, star, or if there should be a backbone cable, then bus topology also a mixture of this. So when we say that it is a combination of ring, star and bus, and then we call is hybrid topology. Okay, I will make you an example and let you explain about this. I'm going to make one design here. So first I'm going to make one design according to star. Star is connected with switch and switch is connected with PCs. So this is my star topology. I have used centralized device switch. Now switch is connected with one backbone cable like tree topology, and that is also connected with another switch and PCs are connected. So star and bus is a combination of tree now. But this PC which is connected to switch also connected with one ring design. Okay. So here we can see that this is a star network, this is a bus network, this is a tree network, and this is a ring network. So when we are not able to understand like how we can pronunciate all these topologies, so we have to see that if there is a combination of two or more than topology, then we renamed that topology as a hybrid topology. So I want to give you an example, like have you ever taste mixed vegetables? Like mixed vegetable is a combination of so many vegetables. Like if you want to eat, then you can cook in your home. Mixed vegetable is combinations of so many vegetables. Similarly, hybrid topology is a combination of so many topologies. Let's discuss about some advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. So if we talk about the advantages of hybrid topology, then we can say this is reliable as error detecting and troubleshooting, because troubleshooting is very easy because it is a combination of topology. So we can troubleshoot the network according to their topology matter. It is very effective. It can be scalable. Scalable means it can be up to large extents. So we can increase this design easily. And it is very flexible as it is a combination of another topology. So it is a genuine that it is flexible. But the disadvantages is this, that it is very costly and complex in design. So this is all about our topologies. So I hope that all the lectures you have understand very much. So happy to learn and thank you so much. I hope all the things are great with you. All the very best to you. Thank you.